Guys, so today we are going on Grintovec and we are enjoying the ride. And we have arrived to the choice of Dom under Grintovec. So beautiful, but a little bit rainy. Yeah, it's raining a little bit and we are just deciding if we should continue or if we should turn back. But for now we said that we will continue and we will see how it goes. Go, go, yes! We have just passed by some hikers and they said that it's quite wet out there. So yeah, we will see if we will reach the summit, but I think we will. What do you think, guys? Woo! Wait, we are in the clouds. This looks so sick. Amazing. Just a little bit cold. We are almost at the summit. Look at this. Scary. Yeah, boys. That's it. That's it. Woo! Yeah, woohoo! Look at her go. Nice. Grintovec 2,585 meters high. Woo! And it's raining. Woohoo!